Ideally, a representative needs to be nominated to execute a data project of this size, because the thing that you need to realize is very few businesses have a chief data officer or an organization that owns data throughout the business who can do things like that on their own. It needs to be multiple parts of the organization kind of pulling or rowing together, right? So one part of the org needs to nominate a representative. In this instance, it should be from the C-suite. They have the most explicit value proposition. They own this initiative, but in owning it, they need to acknowledge that the other parts of the business that they're partnering with for execution are also getting wins. They should therefore be sources of requirements. It's a lot easier to put in work if you know that you're going to get something at the end of the day, right? In executing this program, each department that is contributing needs to be considered a group of stakeholders. And when it's done, everybody needs to sit back and go, we just did a major piece of data work together. Did everybody get what they were promised? What were the places that went bang when we were working? How can we make sure this doesn't happen again? How is our next data initiative or our first up versioning or iteration of our cookieless world data initiative? How do we make those things bigger, better, faster, stronger, right? Those steps with the value proposition I've discussed earlier and a whole bunch more detail that I can share in another webinar sometime, Equal Business is really starting to take major strides forward